Hi, I'm Ben Glick. I'm the co-founder of the company that makes SnapGene software, and I'm the lead designer of SnapGene. SnapGene is the fastest, easiest way to plan, visualize, and document your everyday DNA cloning procedures. SnapGene was born out of frustration. I work at the University of Chicago. I'm a faculty member in molecular genetics and cell biology, and I lead a research group with students and postdoctoral fellows. My laboratory, like many laboratories in academia and in industry, uses a procedure called DNA cloning. It also goes by the name of recombinant DNA or gene splicing. Scientists are always in a hurry, and when they would do a cloning procedure, they would just scribble something in their notebook, an approximation of what they did. It was all guesswork. You often had to redo the whole procedure because you didn't know exactly what they had done. And that's an incredibly primitive approach in the 21st century to have such poor records. It wasn't just my lab. Many of my colleagues expressed the same frustrations. And so that was our goal from the beginning, to make software that was easier to use than pen and paper. SnapGene aims to solve three problems that people face when they're doing DNA cloning. The first problem is planning a procedure. Every DNA cloning experiment is different, and you need to map out all of the steps you're going to do to get you to the end. So SnapGene is set up to guide you through that workflow. The second problem is visualizing what you're doing, how you're going to cut and paste these pieces of DNA, and what tools you're going to use to perform those operations. SnapGene has a rich, intuitive visual interface that allows you to literally see what it is that you're going to be doing. And the final problem is documentation, keeping records of these procedures. SnapGene automatically records every step in a simulation and gives you a graphical history of what you've done. So you have full electronic records of every part of your procedure. One of the exciting things about this project is that SnapGene is used by such a wide range of end users. One of our customers is a company that makes a very realistic meat substitute. It's wonderful to see that we're part of that solution to one of the planet's pressing problems. This project is personally very important to me because it's not only accelerating research, it's saving lives. There are biomedical researchers who are using this tool to make better diagnostics, better therapeutics. For example, disease researchers who are studying cancer, Alzheimer's disease, diabetes. I believe deeply in science as a way to improve the world, the status of humanity. And SnapGene is a tool that helps make science move faster, and it helps to make science more accurate. And that's personally important to me. I think that's a worthwhile way to spend my energy.